This 2025 NuCamp Tab 360 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new NuCamp is 16 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 2, smoke detector, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, self-contained, external shower, refrigerator, microwave, LP detector, air conditioning, and 28 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, front kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 NuCamp Tab 360 is 2,814 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.